Very strong winds ripped through the West Alexandria Road, and what was more powerful than those strong winds was how quickly the neighborhood came together to rally around each other for that cleanup.
The wind just sounded like circling.
Right now it's a total mess.
Powerful winds ripped through this Madison Township neighborhood along West Alexandria Road, snapping trees, knocking down lines, part of a roof ripped off, the barn out back demolished.
Oh, I'm ecstatic that nobody's hurt.
No injuries, but lots of cleanup. Becky Lawson wasn't home when the storm came through.
We were at Miami Valley Casino, and my cousin called me and asked me if we were okay, and I said, we're fine.
Racing home to find her porch windows busted, the metal siding twisted and mangled. She considers herself lucky compared to next door.
She had the kids in the basement during this whole thing.
What did she say about that?
She said she thought every window in the basement was going to blow out.
The kids are okay, the house and yard not so much. Crews started the cleanup right after the winds let up.
We had all of our field guys were out in the areas. This crew particularly was just up the road here as this went through and was unfortunately witness to a lot of this.
Across the street, the Cockerham family rode out the storm in their basement.
It was so crazy for like 30 seconds, and then after it was just completely silent.
The aftermath isn't pretty, but there's something beautiful about a neighborhood rallying together.
We waited a couple minutes, and then we walked outside our walkout basement and just saw everything, and we were like, oh my gosh.
That feeling of, oh my gosh, was a feeling shared by many of the neighbors we spoke to. So still a lot of cleanup left, but the best news tonight, no one was injured. Reporting live, Danielle Tedek, WLWT News 5.